Hey, what's up LifeHacks fam? Welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stuck in your career path no matter what field you're in? Well, you're in for a treat today. I'm about to introduce you to your very own digital career advisor who can help you explore opportunities in any industry. Yeah, you heard me right. All it takes is a single prompt. It's like having a career mentor right at your fingertips. To start, we need to have ChatGPT function as the career advisor. Type in the following prompt. Act as a career advisor, explore job opportunities in insert industry or field with me based on my skills and experience. Ask me relevant questions to determine the necessary qualifications or steps to pursue these careers. ChatGPT uses machine learning to analyze your query and provide an informed response. In this case, we are interested in the IT field. ChatGPT will begin by asking a few questions to pinpoint the qualifications or steps you might need to take to pursue these career paths. For example, for technical skills, ChatGPT will begin by inquiring about what type of programming languages you are proficient in, whether or not you have experience with cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Not only will ChatGPT ask about your technical skills, but it will do a deep dive into questions about other areas in the field of your choice. For example, ChatGPT would also take into consideration data management and analysis skills and experience, the soft skills that you may possess, and any educational and/or credentialing history. ChatGPT does not stop there. In its quest to fully understand you, it will inquire about your own specific and individual career goals. For example, are you looking for a job that leans more toward technical expertise, managerial roles, or a blend of both? Is remote work something you're interested in, or do you prefer an office setting? Once you have answered all the questions ChatGPT needs, it will then begin to provide you with a more targeted list of job opportunities along with the steps and qualifications you'll need to pursue them effectively. Here, I answered the questions from the perspective of a professional who is interested in changing careers and going into the IT field. Based on the skills, experience, and career goals I inputted, ChatGPT provided me with a list of job opportunities that would be a good fit. Based on the detailed answers I provided, one of the jobs that ChatGPT recommended was software developer. Given my proficiency in Python, Java, and your endeavor into JavaScript, a role as a software developer would be an excellent fit. Roles in this domain will allow you to utilize your skills in front-end and back-end development while also offering avenues for leadership. Toward the end of the list of opportunities, you will land on ChatGPT's career development suggestions, key takeaways, and the pros and cons that you need to know to make an informed decision. And there you have it, folks. Who knew that career advising could be as easy as chatting with an AI? From healthcare to tech to arts and more, the possibilities are truly endless. As you can see, ChatGPT not only gives you job suggestions, but also asks you those critical questions you might not have considered, guiding you to make well-informed career choices. Remember, your path is unique, and you've got a pocket-sized guru now to help navigate the bumps and turns. So what are you waiting for? Your dream job isn't going to wait forever. If you loved this video, go ahead and hit that like button. For more empowering life hacks and insights, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so you won't miss a beat. As always, thank you for being a part of this awesome community. Let me know in the comments how ChatGPT helped you or what other topics you'd like me to cover next. Until then, keep aiming higher.